Am I just watching?
Look at that. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. We just got a bunch of supplies at the store and going back to the campsite. I actually have 2 big bundles of firewood and a bunch of water inside my bags. I'm pretty heavy loaded. I was supposed to go first, but they took off. That's fine. I wanted to catch him on the GoPro, but they're on a mission. So finally we get to go to a campsite and not leave, you know, stay there and camp. I'm just concerned about my bag just bursting open because there is a lot of stuff in there. Way more than it should be. Testing the limits of technology. It's just like, if that shit rips, how am I gonna get my shit home? Too many swear words. But I'm excited. We got some sausages, some steak. We got some hot dogs. We got some things. The campsite is all set up. So now we just get to relax and enjoy. The bag is holding up okay. The miracle. Ducati life. Here we are. Don't want to go too fast now. The shit's about to get bumpy, and I need to be in full control. There's some police up there. Nice. Good. There he is. That was my buddy Steve. Steve-O. Why is there police coming to the campsite? Here we are. Weird. Never seen police drive through a campsite. It's kind of bizarre. But there it is. Beautiful. Here we are. Boom. We're all here. Hello, friendo. You been waiting long?
No, I just figured you'd pass that sign.
Yeah, for sure.
Hung out there.
That was random. A freaking police
Yeah, it was
car.
like, there must be a story behind this.
Weird. But look, I have 2 bundles of wood and 4 bottles of water in there, in that bag.
It looks like you have a fucking body in that thing.
I know. So, check this out. Yo, Jason, can you help me get this stuff out?
Am I just watching?
Look at that. Boom. Alright. Sweet.
I think I saw you guys. I rode past you.
Oh, really?
At the store? Yeah.
It's possible. Anyway, so yeah, all that stuff was in there. How about it?